Okay, this is Weather Outlook, updated Tuesday afternoon around 3 o'clock. We do have some scattered showers that will move from east to west, in other words, off the ocean and then to the west. That'll affect Jersey, Delaware, and southeastern PA. We'll go over that in a second so you kind of know where those showers are at. And I hope everybody looked at my winter forecast. And if you have any more questions, I'm trying to answer them all as they come in slowly. Before we get started, if you'd like to donate to try to help out, I haven't gotten any donations lately, so at all. So these are the ways you can donate. If you wish to have videos it's sponsored during the winter months, when I do the forecast and the snow and all that other stuff, send me a message and I will get back to you. And it's not, I don't charge a heck of a lot. So, if you want to do that, then let me know. Now, this afternoon, temperatures are basically kind of, cool, kind of fallish. Temperatures upper 60s to lower 70s. It's not too bad. We have some clouds that are coming in off the ocean in Jersey. Um, Associated with that, you can see there are some showers offshore this afternoon that will slowly make it onto shore. And as you can see, that's the way they're coming in off the ocean. This would be around 8 o'clock tonight, and you can see some showers have entered into Delaware and southern New Jersey, central New Jersey. And what that does to the temperatures actually, let's see here if we can bring this up. You can see temperatures have dropped into the 50s around 8 o'clock tonight, 60s elsewhere. The cloud cover will keep the temperatures steady because the winds are off the ocean, which are kind of warm right now. So you can see here temperatures are in the mid 80s, 60s, I should say, this evening compared to what they were the afternoon. As we get into the nighttime hours, you can pretty much see the line here across here. This is around 10 o'clock at night tonight, and temperatures back here have dropped into the lower 50s, like I said, upper 50s elsewhere. But you can pretty much tell where that line of precipitation is at. You see, right? That's where the line was I just showed you. You can see scattered showers of drizzle. That's what it is. It's not like a rain out, but you can see it affects Philadelphia by 11 o'clock this evening, and you can see it just very scattered, as it works on. This is 1 in the morning. You can see they're scattered out here now, close to Wilmington, Philadelphia, Camden, some onshore, some in Delaware, which is just basically drizzle. They kind of keep moving to the west before they will eventually die out. This is around 2 in the morning. There's 3, there's 4, there's 5 o'clock. And you can see they're more numerous as we get into later hours tonight. But again, they're just showers, sprinkles, and things like that. This is around 6 o'clock in the morning. You can see it's over Lancaster. It's gotten to Reading and maybe to Allentown, but it's basically Delaware and most of New Jersey and down by Philadelphia that gets these showers. This takes you to around 7. Here's 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and you can see they just kind of fade out to where there's some scattered northern New Jersey. Maybe even some of the Poconos can see some drizzle. Definitely see some cloud cover. And this keeps kind of rotating around. This takes you to around 7 o'clock Wednesday night, and you can see they're rotating around. They're starting to move off more towards Connecticut, up towards New England, but that circulation just keeps bringing in some showers and stuff like that during the day tomorrow and tomorrow night. And then as we get into Thursday morning early, you can still see some sprinkles and some drizzle across Jersey and across maybe by Philadelphia here. But then they kind of late in the day, you can see here, this is around 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock. And you can see they kind of fade away as you go through the day on Thursday. Now, these are your temperatures around work time, around 7 a.m. Wednesday morning. You can see a lot of 40s out there, a lot of low 50s. Where the clouds will come in, temperatures are in mid to upper 50s. The further south and east you go, temperatures are 60 in Philly, 67 towards the shoreline in southern Delaware, down by Rehoboth at 69. And that's because the flow is off the ocean, like I said, and you have cloud cover. As we go through the day on Wednesday, we get to the afternoon hours, you can see where the clouds and the rain are at and showers are at. Definitely a difference in temperatures. Excuse me. Where it's raining and showers, you can see temperatures around the upper 50s to the lower 60s, and then to the west, The line's pretty sharp, but it'll start getting into the mid 70s. And if you go all the way out to Pittsburgh, 76 degrees out that way. So, and like I said, the cloud cover in the showers, nothing major, but again, it's just enough to keep your temperatures cool. Then as we get into Wednesday or Thursday night, or just Wednesday night, excuse me, Wednesday night or Thursday, and this is Thursday morning. I'm sorry, I'm all mixed up here. This is Thursday morning. You can still see where the clouds are still playing havoc with the temperatures. And I'm not saying playing havoc, but they're keeping the temperatures a little warmer. Again, right around 60 where the clouds and the showers and sprinkles are at. Elsewhere, Upper Poconos all the way out towards Pittsburgh and Wayne, Warren and Bradford out that way. Temperatures have dropped into the 50s in the morning on Thursday. And then as we get during the afternoon hours on Thursday, you can see as it's beginning to pull away, so it does affect the temperatures. And now past across Pennsylvania, we got mid to upper 70s, and now you go into Jersey and you're back into the 70s again, and you got rid of those 60s, except maybe right along the coast. So that's kind of where that sits. All right, everybody, be careful, be safe, and take care.